Now the lyric again, y'all, man. We gonna call this one Riding in My Chevy. Shouts out to the whole Carthage, Mississippi, my hometown. Mississippi, stand up. I got you. They don't know nothing about riding in them Chevys, huh?
Playing high music.
Nah, every person in the town I rode to school with, riding in my cousin Chevy with them chrome lips. Doze up, but them peoples know who you is. Stay next door or up the street from your crib, but we already know about the po-po knocking on the doors, wearing white clothes while the preacher, he just wears colored robe, and up his back I see yellow and not a gold robe. Y'all devious greed, selling lies, still told. Hell, who am I to believe if the preacher can be sold? So Lord, please forgive us for this life of sin where I'm judged on the daily cause of the color of my tint. And I fail to believe in all the lies and think I can't. It's tiger blood running all throughout my paint. So best believe they can't see me riding in my Chevy looking like a three-peat. Now I'm just riding in my Chevy, man. On these dirt roads, man, I'm going through some things, yeah. I'm just riding in my Chevy, man. Sipping liquor, smoking weed just to ease my pain. Oh, my phone ringing, and I just let it rain. Everybody complaining and always want some change. Catch me riding in my Chevy, man. I'm trying to maintain and hold this bitch in the lanes. I headed up 16, stopped at the country store. Bought myself a case and some Dixon skins to go. As I'm riding the BB King on this dirt road, I found myself and realized I had no place to fucking go. Open road, so I pushed the pedal to the floor, swerving side to side, dodging potholes. Well, damn, I'm back in this position, reminiscing on the days I traveled this road just to go fishing. Red Dog Road was all my tires have been missing, but I seized my opportunities as they was given. I never forgot, but I forgave the ones that said I never copyright or sell a fucking page. Now they wave and blow the horn as I ride by, trying to flag me down, but I ain't even got the time speaking. Cause the liquor store closing and I need something that just gonna ease my mind. Now I'm just riding in my Chevy, man. On these dirt roads, man, I'm going through some things, yeah. I'm just riding in my Chevy, man. Sipping liquor, smoking weed just to ease my pain. Oh, my phone ringing, and I just let it rain. Everybody complaining and always want some change. Catch me riding in my Chevy, man. I'm trying to maintain and know this bitch in the lane, y'all. Flip the wheel, pop a pill, just keep it trill, huh? Do you? Do your thing, my nigga. Flip the wheel, pop a pill, huh? Just keep it trill.